Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Top Cars TV is here, and today we are diving into a detailed review of the 2026 Honda CR-V, a model that continues to refine one of the world's most trusted and best-selling SUVs. If you're considering a compact crossover that blends comfort, reliability, and modern tech, stay tuned because this one is worth your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 CR-V carries forward the sophisticated, athletic design language of the previous generation but with sharper edges and a more premium presence. The front fascia features a cleaner grille design, slimmer LED headlights, and a slightly more aggressive bumper that gives it a bold road stance. The body lines are more sculpted, the wheel arches are pronounced, and depending on the trim you get fresh new alloy wheel designs that elevate its visual appeal. Honda has also tweaked the taillight signature to appear brighter and more modern, giving the CR-V a distinctive look when approaching or leaving. Overall, it strikes a balance between rugged durability and everyday elegance, perfect for both city commuting and weekend adventures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Honda CR-V offers refined and efficient powertrains designed for smooth driving. The model continues with a 1.5-litre turbocharged engine in the standard trims, delivering responsive acceleration and confident overtaking power, while the hybrid variant remains the star for fuel-conscious buyers. The hybrid setup combines electric torque with Honda's reliable gasoline engine, producing strong low-end power and impressive efficiency. Steering feels well balanced, the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, and the handling remains predictably, making it one of the most comfortable and easy-to-drive SUVs in its class. Honda has also worked on reducing cabin noise and vibration, resulting in a quieter ride on both highways and city roads. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 CR-V is its reputation for long-term dependability paired with modern upgrades that enhance the overall driving experience. The hybrid model continues to offer excellent fuel economy, making it a standout choice for families looking to save at the pump. Honda's interior space management is among the best in the segment, offering more rear legroom and cargo space than many competitors, and the CR-V's strong resale value makes it one of the smartest investments in the compact SUV market. Additionally, its blend of practicality, comfort, and light off-road capability makes it extremely versatile for different lifestyles. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Honda CR-V welcomes you with a clean, upscale interior that feels more premium than ever. High-quality soft-touch materials line the dashboard and doors, and the seats are designed for excellent long-distance comfort. The center display is intuitive and responsive, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and higher trims include a digital instrument cluster and a larger touchscreen for better visibility and control. Storage compartments are plentiful, the panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel, and the rear seats provide generous space for adult passengers. Honda clearly focused on enhancing practicality and user experience, making the interior one of the CR-V's biggest strengths. Safety features remain a priority. As always with Honda, the 2026 CR-V comes equipped with the latest version of Honda Sensing, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, traffic sign recognition, and improved blind spot monitoring. Honda has fine-tuned its camera and radar systems for smoother, more accurate responses, reducing false alerts and making the drive feel more natural. Additional features such as front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and cross-traffic detection in higher trims provide extra peace of mind, ensuring you and your passengers stay protected on every journey. In terms of pricing, The 2026 Honda CR-V continues to offer competitive value within its segment. While exact figures depend on your region and chosen trim, the standard gasoline model is expected to be priced in the familiar range for CR Versus, while the hybrid variants come at a slight premium but with long-term savings from fuel efficiency. Considering its reliability, advanced features, and strong resale value, the CR-V remains one of the most cost-effective options in the compact SUV market. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda CR-V is a polished and well-rounded SUV that improves upon an already successful formula. It delivers strong performance, a comfortable and spacious interior, excellent safety features, and a refined exterior design that feels more premium than ever. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family traveler, or someone who simply wants a dependable and stylish SUV, the CR-V continues to stand as a smart and compelling choice. Thanks for watching this review on Top Cars TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.